Vande Mataram, children. Today, in chapter 3, we are going to start with our next topic, that is processing of fiber into wool. Means the hair or the fleece which we get from the sheep, how they are processed further to make wool. That we are going to see in detail, and at last we are going to discuss about the occupational hazard. So let's see it. So children, let's start with our topic, starting with rearing and breeding of sheep. If you travel to hilly regions like Jammu and Kashmir or Arunachal Pradesh, northern part, you can see the shepherd take their herd of sheep for grazing purpose. Here in this picture you can see shepherd taking his herd of sheep for grazing purpose, and they make their sheep feed with the pulses, jowar, oil cakes, minerals. You can see here very well. Children, sheep are herbivores. They mainly feed on green grass or leaves. Sheep are reared in different part of our country. Rearing means taking care of them for the wool, providing them good quality of food and taking care of them. So let's see that leaves. Here you can see, children, the advantages of sheep rearing. Rearing means taking care of the sheep, and breeding, and we get a different breeds with a different variety of wools. Here in this table you can see name of breed like Lohi. It's having a good quality of wool. States Rajasthan and Punjab. Then Rampur Busher brown fleece from Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Nali, it's good for carpet wool from Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Like this way you can go and refer different name of breeds with different quality of wool, and you can see in northern part of India different states rear different types of sheep for the wool. Now we are going to start with the process, how fiber is processed and wool is made. So it is a 6-step process. Let's see one by one. First step is shearing. Shearing means process of removing fleece and the thin layer of skin from the sheep body. That process is called shearing. Here you can see a person is removing hair of the sheep with the help of razor or clipper, and the fiber is taken out. This process is mainly done in hot weather and not in winter, as during hot climate they can survive very well, and by the winter arrive, again the hair will grow enough to protect it from the winter cold. So second step is scouring. Scouring means the sheared fiber जो निकला हुआ है fiber, that is washed properly to remove the grease and dust, and then the washed fiber is cleaned and dried and sent to the factory. So scouring means washing of fiber to remove dust, dirt and grease. Then the third step is sorting. Sorting means जो clean fiber हमें मिला है, cleaned fiber, that is separated according to the texture. Texture मतलब length के हिसाब से हम उसको अलग करते हैं, color के हिसाब से अलग करते हैं, and then according to the length and fiber they are processed to make woolen cloths, woolen rugs. अगर coarse hair है, coarse मतलब tough and rough, तो उससे हम carpet या rugs बनाते हैं. The fourth step is separating burrs. Burrs matlab small fluffy fibers, which is used mainly to make the woolen cloth. The fifth step is dyeing. Dyeing means coloring the wool fiber which we have already collected. See children, natural fiber is mainly available in 3 colors: white, brown or black. But we need wool in different color. So that purpose we color it, and that process is called dyeing. And the sixth process is spinning. Spinning means the fibers are then straightened, combed and rolled into yarns. Means the yarn is prepared. That process is called spinning. The sixth step, wool yarns are made, and further from the yarn either weaving is done or knitting is done. By weaving we make shawls, and by knitting we make sweaters. So this is all about 6-step process making wool from the fiber. Coming to occupational hazard, means wool industry is an important means of livelihood for many people in our country, but sorter's job is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium called anthrax, which cause a fatal blood disease. Fatal मतलब जानलेवा ब्लड की बीमारी होती है. किसको होती है? तो शॉर्टर्स को. शॉर्टर्स मतलब द वन हु शॉर्ट द फाइबर. दे कम इन कॉन्टेक्ट विथ बैक्टीरियम कॉल्ड एंथ्रैक्स, और उनको ब्लड की बीमारी होती है जिसको हम शॉर्टर्स डिजीज बोलते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ इट. इट इज fatal if it is not treated at the earliest. Even it is called as wool shorters disease. So this is all about occupational hazard. मतलब any risk faced by worker in any industry is called occupational hazard. So children, today we have understood all about wool. Thank you.